Okay, so in this video we're going to go over all the different brain structures on this brain dissection. So the first thing I want to point out, this is the ventral part of the brain, so then you can see cranial nerve 1, the olfactory, you can see the optic nerve there. You can also see all the different lobes, right? So temporal lobe would be here, frontal lobe would be there. This part is where, this is where the pons would be, the medulla would be here, and then the midbrain is in this area here, and it wraps around on this side. So so what I have right here, let me show you this. So what I'm taking off, this is the dura mater, the dural cap. So for the meninges, you have 3 different layers. So you have the dura mater, the arachnoid mater, and then the pia mater. So if you, let's see, where are my tweezers? No tweezers. So if you look at this layer that's here on the top that I'm taking off, that's the pia mater. So that's the most intimate layer that's covering the brain. Okay, so let's take the rest of the dural cap off so we can see some of the other brain structures. So I'm going to take it off, and then we can do a mid-sagittal section. So I'm going to cut it here. So I'm cutting the cerebellum, so that's what this part is, and then I'll cut it right here down the middle. Okay, so now if you look at it from this point of view, you can see the corpus callosum, which is this part right there. It's connecting the right and the left halves. You can also see the cingulate gyrus, which is right there. That's a component of the limbic system. So then if I put it back together, I want to show you a couple of different things. So first off, we'll look at the thalamus. So the thalamus is here. That's this particular region. It's directly above the midbrain. So some of the particular structures of the midbrain. So this is the superior colliculi on top, and then this is the inferior colliculi there on the bottom. So those 4, that's what makes up the corpora quadrimina. Okay. So now if I cut it, let me see about cutting it this part. So then if you look at it this way, you can see the white matter within the cerebellum, and then you can see the gray matter there on the outside. You can also see that this part is where the pons is, and then the medulla is what would be there on the bottom. It's also, let's see if you can take this off real quick. You can also see this is where the pituitary gland would be, but it's not actually shown. But yeah, so that's the sagittal structures. So the next thing we want to do is to do a coronal section. So we'll cut it here, right in the middle. And then from this point of view, you can see the white matter, which is there on the inside. See if we can compare it on this one. Yeah. So white matter is there on the inside, and then the gray matter is on the outside. So then this part is where the thalamus is. So remember, the thalamus is the gateway for the tracts. So all of the tracts, that's what's traveling through here to get to the cerebral cortex. And then you can also see the ventricles is what would be here in that region. Okay, so that's it.